Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this. We have root 7 to the power of root x plus root 5 to the power of root x, all equal to 12. So let's begin by multiplying this power by 2 over 2, which is the same as 1. So when we multiply this, we have root 7 to the power of root x further raised to the power of 2 over 2. So this is the same as 1, plus we have root 5 further raised to the power of root x multiplied by 2 over 2, and is equal to 12. So from here we can multiply the powers to have root 7 further raised to the power of root x times this will give us 2 root x over 2, plus we have root 5 all to the power of multiplying this, we have 2 root x over 2, and is equal to 12. So from here we can have root 7 all squared further raised to the power of root x over 2, plus we have root 5 all squared further raised to the power of root x over 2, and is equal to 12. When we have the square root of x further raised to the power of 2, this square root cancels out this, we have equal to x. So our root 7 to the power of 2 becomes 7 to the power of root x over 2, plus our square roots here cancel out these two, we have 5 to the power of root x over 2, and is equal to our 12. We can split it to have 7 plus 5. So we can resolve this equation by comparing. Since we have 7 and 5 and we have 7 and 5 here, we can solve it by comparing the two sides of the equation to have we have 7 to the power of root x over 2 to be equal to 7, and the power of 7 here is 1. We can equate the powers together to have root x over 2 to be equal to 1. So this gives us root x is equal to 2. When we square both sides, we have this. So this cancel out this, we have x is equal to 4. So we can as well verify our answer. So the value of x is 4. So let's verify. Our question, we have 7 to the power of root x root 7 plus root 5 to the power of root x is equal to 12. So our x is 4, so we have root 7 to the power of root 4 plus root 5 to the power of root 4 is equal to 12. So we have root 7 square root of 4 is 2, plus we have root 5 square root of 4 is 2 equal to 12. When this cancel out this, we have that 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So we have that 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So the left hand side equals the right hand side. So our value for x is equal to 4. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.